Africa, what do you say? Is that a bird pecking on our house? Africa, your tail's really wagging. Hey, what is it? A bird.
Oh, so cute. Is it making a nest right there?
No, it's pecking on our house.
Can you hear us?
I don't know. Africa, get it.
Look, it's
Just
looking.
gonna sit there, kitty.
Look.
Go tell him to eat the bird food we
Maybe
have.
there's a slug or something it wants to eat.
Her tail's wagging.
It's playing with a leaf right there. She just took it. Or he. Mom.
There he flew out in the... There's a whole bunch in the tree out there. That's where I feed them.
There it is.
There's a bird feeder right there.
It's on.
There's a whole bunch of them on that tree. There's the sweat feeder. What is it, kitty?